How to claim Nodepay Airdrop on Phantom Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first, you're going to visit this website called claim.nodefoundation.ai as the URL link over here. And over here, you're just simply going to connect your wallet to be able to claim your node chain or node coin over here. So simply click on connect wallet, select the detected wallet on Solana that you want. For today's video, we will be focusing on Phantom Wallet. So simply select Phantom Wallet. You will be able to see here on the top right side that it will prompt you to connect. So simply click on connect over here and it will mention if your wallet is eligible for the claim. But over here, if you check out your Phantom wallet, you would need to have some SOL into your account. So as you can see right now, I don't have anything in my account, but you need to have some SOL, a tiny bit of SOL, because there would be some traffic or like payment to process the transfer. So it might or it will detect that. So ensure that you have some SOL inside of your account. But basically, that's basically how you will be able to do it. The next process after this is just going to allow you to easily just send or confirm your address. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.